way.
A long way off yet. Jenny and I are setting off from Victoria on our way to Darwin and back, about 10,000 kilometres of adventure, and we brought Clancy, our Border Collie, along for the ride. This is the first video of our trip. We've got a few fixed stops that we have to get to, but between them we're free to roam. Heading east towards the New South Wales coast, then back across and up through some of our favourite spots on the way to the top end. We'll spend a few weeks in Darwin, then it's a quick dash home. Fewer boring highway runs on the way up this time, just new places, dog-friendly adventures and plenty of free camping.
Cabbage. Maybe it's cabbage. Cabbage. There's an eagle up there. Or a hawk, maybe. There's a hawk.
Put too much trust into Google Maps, you never know where you're going to end up. Thriving in that metropolis. Cohuna Island Road.
We're going along here a fair bit. It's strange to have a free camp right next to a caravan park.
We looked at a number of campsites we found on Wikicamps before settling on this one for the night. Which way is the wind?
Do you not know? Have they got fishing rods?
Oh, fishing reel.
Oh, fishing, you've got a rod but no reel.
Yeah.
So it looks like there might be a deep spot just over there because there's a rope swing.
Yeah. I'll get out in a lot. Alright, we've just arrived in the one of the little campgrounds in the Gunbower State Forest.
Yep, it's a ripper.
And just outside of Cohuna. It's only a few minutes down the road from Cohuna, and beautiful little site down here. A lovely little river and beautiful well set up camping area. So we'll make this our camp for the night.
Yeah, there's a few to choose from.
Night number one on our way to Darwin.
Yeah, long way away. Yeah.
A long way off yet. They're just getting ready to start the campfire up.
Dog friendly.
Dog friendly, luckily. And beautiful little creek.
Okay.
Even a rope swing if we get adventurous.
We won't be. It'd be good if the fish jumped out of the water just in front of us. Did you hear it overnight?
Some big ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want half a muffin? Because I don't want a whole one. I was gonna give you the first one, but I've burnt it a bit.
A knife?
Is that too burnt?
Fancy.
Is that too burnt for you?
Oh, you have it.
No, I don't really want a whole one. I just
Okay.
want a half.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
I think that's the Murray.
Yeah.
Soapworks.
Not the town.
On the bridge.
It's such a contrast. Blue sky to the right, clouds to the left.
I'll just get some heads.
I would say this must be Pump Shed Camp. Pump Shed Bend. Looks like a pump shed, doesn't it?
Yep. Oh.
Maybe not this more mud. Jeez, Brendon, don't go so close to the edge. It's a huge big branch dropped off that tree pretty freshly too. Just back there. Might be a four-wheel drive to get out.
And with the muddy tracks, we did need four-wheel drive to get out. Not all that flat, but...
The only thing is there's a lot of big gum trees with big branches. Not much of a clearing.
The bank is pretty muddy. There's a bit of traffic noise. Maybe we do go have a look at the National Park one. Won't hurt. We've got plenty of time.
Yeah.
No, it's handful.
Yuck. Oh, wow.
Kind of rugged up right in winter.
Oh.
It looks all right. I'd be comfortable here, but we might as well camp anywhere.
Yeah. No, I can get going.
We're at the Soapworks Bend campsite, just out of hay. Jenny's doing some washing and tea prep.
What?
What have you got there, Jenny?
Pork fillet that I'm just going to marinate in some different pouches and freeze. Got on special, $7.77. We'll get 3 meals out of it with a bit of veg.
And Clancy's trying to trip you up.
Indeed.
So while I've been doing some downloading of files, Jenny's doing the daily washing.
Well, it's barely daily. It's a matter of wearing the clothes until they run to the wash bag.
This is a pretty good wash bag though. I've been using it for a number of years. It's a scrubber wash bag. It's got little dimples on the bottom on the inside. And you just put the clothes in there with an earth-friendly washing. I just use those wash leaves, detergent leaves, and minimum water. And you just do that for a little bit. Just agitate. It's not typical. And honestly, there's hardly any water in there. And I'm actually just using river water. We'll live. It'll be fine.
Yeah, look at the old lights. This is Gunbower Forest.
Thanks for tuning in. Catch us, TripAusAdventures, on the socials and give us a like if you like what you see.